guys, and welcome back to the channel. And as you guys just saw, yes, we are fixing brake pads because I can't put up with the squealing anymore, and now the driver's side is scrubbing on the pad a little bit, or rotor, one way or another. But we're replacing these with these. I got them for a pretty good deal. Everything I've seen about them, they're dynamic friction company. Says that everybody seems to think that they're okay. I'm not looking for the best performance. I'm just looking for OEM equivalent or better, and these happen to be cheaper than OEM ones because the guy bought them for the wrong ones. I did the parts number check, made sure that they were right. They are. So we're gonna go ahead and throw them on, and hopefully a little bit improved pedal feel, and they'll look better behind the wheels too. All right, so I stopped recording just so I could get this side wrapped up, but everything went back. I did go ahead and just give a quick coat to the caliper and the caliper bracket of black, just to make sure it's not ugly and rusted anymore. So at least it has some kind of deepness to it, but not too shabby. You can actually see the brakes, and they're new. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the other side, and then we'll go ahead and take her out and bed the brakes a little bit. of the garage now. I'm gonna go bed these brakes in. I'm not gonna film any of it. It's pretty standard process, but I need to get these broken in so they actually work. And yeah, I'll check back in with you guys here in a minute. All right, well, I'm back from bedding in the brakes. Definitely took a little bit longer than I thought to get at least bedded as much as I want them to be, but I don't know if you can really see. Overall, they look a lot better. They definitely feel a lot better, and my driver's side isn't squealing like a pig anymore, and that was really the thing that was driving me crazy. Was the fact that it just felt like it had some high spots, maybe from it being run hot and then stopping for too long. I don't really know, but there's definitely some high spots on the rotors and need to get that taken care of. I'm glad I can get it done today. That being said, still waiting on 2 tires to show up for the 2 spares for the rear. We have, well, now that we broke one of the what used to be rears, we have 1 spare front just in case something happens again, knock on glass. And then yeah, next weekend we're gonna head out and get the car aligned. We'll then, I think next weekend we'll pick up all the paint supplies, and the weekend after we're gonna go ahead and paint match the rest of the body, as in the over fenders, not the lip, keeping that black. And then at that point, we'll be ready for FuelFest. It's coming up quick. We have 3 weeks to go until FuelFest, and I'm pretty excited to drive it. But now it's just little things like paint match and getting the car's alignment straightened back out. But yeah, overall, happy to have done this. It's not really a big project, I would say. I know it's been a little bit slow as far as the content's been concerned and big changes to the car, but whittling away at little things, especially for normal everyday people like you and I, are a lot more attainable and easy to do, especially when you have work and a kid and other obligations that you need to attend to. So that being said, car brakes finally how it should be. Obviously there's probably a little bit more bedding to do in the brakes, but I'm gonna just be driving the car normally and it should sort itself out. Thank you guys for all tuning in today. I know, again, like I said, kind of content's a little wishy-washy right now, but this next weekend we're gonna be heading out to a cool spot to get an alignment done, and then the weekend after we're gonna be paint matching. So 2 really big videos coming up soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Hit thumbs up if you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see. And until next time, everybody stay easy. Peace.